Welcome to Beef Kitchen, episode 1, and easy. I'm just doing my favorite pasta. Every time I make it, my kids love it, I love it. I'm maybe eat it 2 days out of the week. I make it every Sunday because I love it so much, and it's healthy. So, found this recipe on Instagram, loved it so much. You know, you try a lot of shit on Instagram, you just don't know if it's gonna be good. This one was fantastic. So, got my oldest here, Valentina. Come boo boo, say hi. Yeah. Okay, that's not hi. Right now, we're gonna go over the ingredients. Super easy to make, crock pot. What they say, set and forget. This is set and forget. So boo boo, go over ingredients. Start from that side. Chicken, boo boo, chicken. Okay, that's great. So, chicken. Parmesan cheese comes in later, but we're gonna do it now. Bell pepper. I only use one. My kids don't eat vegetables, so we're just gonna do the one. Cream cheese. I usually get the low fat one, but you know, today we're not gonna do all that. Salt, pepper. This is very ingredient. These two ingredients are the most important ones. The Buffalo Wild Wing sauce and the Italian seasoning. As long as you got these two, outside from the chicken and stuff, these two, you're gonna be absolutely fine. Cajun seasoning and then cayenne pepper. Like I told you, my wife is Mexican and nothing's hot enough. Nothing's hot enough. You like hot too, huh, boo boo? Yeah. Yeah, she likes hot too. So, and my 2-year-old likes hot as well. So, and then you need beef broth. The only thing, not chicken broth. I'm beef. There you go. Yes, chicken. I'm beef. Let's start cooking it. Boo boosh, put the chicken in the thingy. That's the thingy. No, I don't know. So what you want to do is put 2 frozen. They can't be thawed. It has to be frozen chicken breasts into there. That doesn't count as one. That's for sure. Keep going. More. 2. Those are too small. That's probably like 1 combined. Not even. Oh, the tenderloin. Ah. Funny, go ahead, keep going. You're supposed to be 2 big chicken breasts, but today we're doing tenderloins. Fine. Perfect. All right. Now, like I say, most important ingredient is the Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. So I'm gonna tear this open. Did that easily. Now, there we go. Bobby, dump that in there.
All of it?
All of it. Shake it like that.
Shake it.
Oh, don't splash now.
Lick it.
Yeah, sure, go ahead, lick it. Just don't put your hand in there no more. Once you pour this in there, you pour the chicken broth in here, wash it out, and pour it in there. So go ahead, I'll do it, boo-boos. Not make a mess today. While I'm doing this, boo-boos, put some seasoning into it, yeah? Start dumping. Can't mess up. Italian seasoning, bone. A nice heavenly coat. That's how you get all that good stuff out. All right, you good, you good. I good. Just keep, just go on the road. Why not? This goes in later. Good. This is salt. Now, I don't know if y'all have these. They just, they come out slow, but I like them though, boy, whatever. You just gotta stand there for 15 minutes, but I like it. There you go. Awesome, brother. That's good. You know me, I'll put extra salt on mine when it comes out, so that's fantastic. Go ahead. Too close. Come up. There you go. All right, here we go. I'll put that to the side. Otherwise, I'll double salt everything if I don't. Is that Cajun?
Yeah.
Let them have it. Now, the video I saw, he didn't put Cajun into it, but, you know. My mom's from Alabama, so we're going to put Cajun in there.
Crazy Alabama?
Crazy Alabama, yeah. What do the kids say for crazy?
KK.
No, not KK.
Ohio.
Maybe I got that. I got it from Facebook, so I don't know. Go ahead, boo boo. That's the cayenne pepper. So you don't like it spicy, don't put it in there. We love it spicy. So it's going. One time I put so much cayenne pepper that I thought I ruined it. My family said it was fantastic, so that's good. When that time I put too much, it was just, yeah, everybody loved it. Don't break a nail. Just so cute, she does nails. With her Meemaw. Perfect. Now do the chili flakes. You gotta shake the sugar honey ice kit. Oh wait, is it over? We already here till episode 8 if I don't do it like this. All right.
How will you shake?
At this point, we're gonna put in the final part, which is the block of cream cheese. Yours should look just like this. Bind it to spices if you don't want it. But that's how we're gonna do it today. You wanna splash it? Okay, never mind, you did. So now all you have to do at this point is put the lid. Bubby, can you get the lid? We're gonna put this on for 3.5 hours on high. I always forget how to do this until I do it. Oh, manual, that's right. I always forget that button. High, we're gonna do 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours and 30 minutes, and press start. Now we're gonna come back in 3.5 hours. All right, so I made this recipe a million times. I usually put in the vegetables way too late so they stay crunchy. Hey, it's smoking, see that, boo-boo?
Yes.
Oh, it's smoking. So I usually put them in way too late. They turn crunchy, my wife hates it, whatever. So we're gonna put them in an hour left. I think we have an hour left on the clock. So we're gonna put them in now, cut them up, out cut, she'll put in, done. I used to do this recipe with like 2 bell peppers, but yeah, you don't need to do all that. My kids pick them out anyway, so that's what's stupid. Put them in these little pieces. I like to julienne cut. I went to culinary school when I was like a kid, so I don't even remember julienne cut. That's the only thing I remember from the whole damn class. Perfect. All right, Bubby, you can take the top off and put that stuff in there. Don't bring yourself, please.
Yeah, I want it.
Just take the top off. Just gotta them. Oh.
That butter is barely cooked.
It's not butter.
All of this?
All of that.
Well, whatever that is.
Cream
Barely,
cheese.
that's it. It's barely melted. Go. I love it.
There you go.
Some are falling off the edge, bro.
Now that is done, we're gonna boil the water, the pasta, protein pasta.
Yeah.
So the point of this meal is protein, right? So instead of the flour pasta, we're going protein pasta to just pack in as much protein as possible. So that's what we're gonna do next. Come on, boo boo. All right, so now we're gonna start boiling the water. Me and my little boo boosh just gotta put the noodles in the boiling water. I mean, come on, how hard can that be?
Open this, yeah.
Yeah.
Go to the bed. Is that just a
I love salty pasta water. It just makes it the best. My little boo boo is gonna stir it. It's gonna boil for, I don't know, 20 minutes or so.
Hell.
And then, go ahead, baby. Get it from the bottom now.
Now we are going to shred the chicken.
Good job, boo boo. I was gonna dump the pasta in first. Completely forgot I got to shred the chicken. So the best part about this is that they're tenderloin, so they don't take that much effort to shred. So I feel like the best method is just doing this. So yeah, just grab a piece, pour it apart, or pull it apart with the fork, done.
Now Daddy can put the pasta in. And
Let's
right
do
after
it.
we're going to grate the cheese.
Grate the cheese. Can you stir that, boo boosh? All right, so I'm gonna grate the cheese. Again, Parmesan cheese. I used to get the ones that are like pre-cut in the packages, but you know, my wife saw it on TikTok and I'm supposed to use pre-grated cheese. Man, these guys, man. You chill, my man.
Chill, Daddy. Chill, Papi. Chill. Well, that's a lot.
That's a lot. No, that's it. Nothing yet. You wait until I'm done.
I hate cheese.
She does not hate cheese. She don't like extra cheese. Although she loves this recipe and I make it every time with a whole block of cheese. So I'm like,
Just let it fix my store. Well, it's squishing me on the edge.
I'm sorry, my dude. I'm sorry.
Barely
Fit.
inside.
What ain't my fault? I wish I knew a better way to hold this. This is gonna take forever. All right, now we are done. I'm just left with this. Shit. Just don't like leaving cheese on the table. Unless it's figuratively. Stir it up, baby.
Time for stir. Stir master. How are you supposed to do this?
From the bottom. Here, let me do it.
There's no.
Okay. Jeez. So I just tasted a little bit of it. It is super spicy. For me.
I like that.
But she's gonna love it. My wife's gonna love it. My 2-year-old's gonna love it. And yeah. Get that edge of cheese right over there.
What? Right here?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. I'll taste it.
It's good, sir.
Bomb. And that basically is the Papa Beef pasta.
Yeah.
Hold the beef. Thank you guys for being with us on this video. Until next week, we will cook you something else. Bubby, what you want to cook next week? Any ideas?
Spaghetti.
We'll figure it out. Spaghetti. You're not making another pasta. Stop it. We will see y'all next week. Thank you so much. Mwah.